Hello everybody and welcome back. Here we're into Python baby steps for complete noobs. So first of all we're going to deal with strings. So let's say this is a string. Okay, so this is a string here. So just to show you that's a string, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add x. I'm going to say equals, and then again, this is a string. Okay, so I've assigned x to this is a string. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to print x. Now x contains this string here. Okay, so I'll just save that. I'm just going to print it. Okay, there we go. So x now contains the string. Okay, so just to make sure that it's a string, I'm going to put type, and this will tell us what data type x is. So I'm going to do that there. Just going to save that. I'm just going to run it. There we go. Data type class string, str short for string. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn this string here into uppercase, and I'm going to type in the print command, and I'm going to do x dot upper. Okay, so there we go, x dot upper. Let's just save that there, and let's just run it. There you go, it prints it out in uppercase. This is a string. Okay, if we did upper, we're going to do lower. So I'm going to put lower there. Now it's already in lower class, so I'm just going to change this to upper class so it can convert it. So this is a string. Okay, so it can convert it to lower class. Just save that. Let me just run it. And there we go. This is a string converted to lower class. Okay, right, so let's say I want to find this word in our string. Let me just take it down to lowercase here. So I want to find this in here. I want to find what position it's at. So how do I do that? I just say find, and then I'm going to put the word in here in parentheses. I want to find, so is. Okay, just save that and run it. Okay, so I found it. It's come up here with 2, so it's at position 2. Okay, in here. So let me just type in a word that isn't in here, a letter that isn't in here. Let's see what the output is for this. Okay, let's start that. -1, so it's not in there, so we've got no output. Let's just try it with a proper word like XYD. Let's just try that. And again -1 because it's not in there. Okay, hope you like that, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.